This is a loaded baked potato, and by the end of this video, it's gonna be a donut. Hi guys, I'm Kelly, and this is the Tasty Twist. We're gonna start with the best part of a loaded baked potato, the bacon. We're gonna add our bacon to a large skillet over medium heat. And here's the trick for super crispy bacon. Add water. I know that sounds crazy, but adding a little water at the start helps render the fat slowly and evenly, so the bacon cooks through before it crisps up perfectly. Just listen to that crunch. We're chopping it kind of small because we're gonna add it to the dough and we don't want huge chunks. You almost want it to look like those bags of bacon bits. And then set it aside for later. All right, now it is time to make our dough. We're not gonna make a traditional yeasted dough. We're actually gonna make a dough from potatoes. To get started, we're gonna add flour to a large bowl, then baking powder, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and baking soda. We're gonna mix this all together until it's evenly combined. Then we're adding some of the chopped bacon, saving about 2 tablespoons for garnishing, some of the cheddar cheese, and chives. We're gonna fold everything together with a spatula and then set aside. In another bowl, we're gonna cream the butter until it's light and fluffy, about 1 to 2 minutes. It should look like this, almost like a cloud. We're gonna add in some leftover mashed potatoes and an egg and mix that until combined. Mashed potatoes in the dough make things extra tender and soft, kind of like a potato bread. Add half of the dry ingredients and mix until mostly incorporated. Then we're gonna pour in some buttermilk and mix again. Add the rest of the dry ingredients and finish mixing with a spatula, just until combined. I like to use a spatula to make sure I don't overwork the dough. Once the flour disappears, stop mixing. Overworked dough will make for a tough donut and nobody wants that. And then we're gonna turn the dough onto a lightly floured surface. We'll need this for 1 to 2 minutes. You might need a little bit of extra flour if the dough is feeling sticky. You really just have to feel it out. Pushing it away and then pulling it back. 1. Some people like to do the heart method, but see how I'm making a heart? This is just what I like to do. It's quicker. We're gonna roll this out into a 1/2 inch thickness, and we're making mini donuts. So we're using these small round cookie cutters to cut out the donuts, and this is probably my favorite part. They just come out so cute and round, I love it. And then we'll use a piping tip to punch out the centers. And we're left with these little donut holes or potato balls, and I'm obsessed. I think they're so cute. They're great for snacking on or giving to your kids. All right, so these are done. I'm gonna go pop them in the fridge for like 10-15 minutes to chill, so when I fry them, they hold their shape, and then we'll heat our oil and get going. We want to get the canola oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That temperature is the sweet spot for getting them crispy on the outside while staying fluffy on the inside. If it's too cool, the donuts will soak up the oil, and if it's too hot, the outside cooks before the inside catches up and it's burnt. Working in batches, fry the donuts for about 2 minutes per side until they're deep golden brown. Make sure you also fry those donut holes because they make for a great poppable snack. Then just transfer them from the hot oil to a wire rack so they cool down. And just look at that color, it's gorgeous, and listen to this crunch. Now let's load up this donut like we would a baked potato. To finish, drizzle with sour cream, cheddar cheese, crispy bacon bits, and chives. It's crispy on the outside, fluffy inside, and somehow tastes exactly like a loaded baked potato, but in donut form. These turned out so great. I think they are so cute, but I'm gonna pack them up and pass them out to my coworkers and see what they think. Go easy on me.
Oh, okay. It smells very good.
Oh my god, these look incredible. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I don't know what it is, but it's very good.
I've never had a savory donut before. I didn't know it would work. I want 10 more, please, right now.
I like it.
Would you eat it again?
Totally.
Thank you so much.
Smells incredible. I'm a savory guy, and you've just given me a savory donut. This is insane.
Have a good podcast.